Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi and today I will be explaining the Agile project lifecycle. This lifecycle is used in Agile project management, a methodology focused on delivering products iteratively and improving them based on the customer feedback. I will walk you through each phase and key concept involved in this approach. Agenda. Here is an overview of today's presentation. First, I will introduce the Agile project lifecycle. Then, I will explain the four main phases of this lifecycle, which include concept, iteration, incremental development, release, and deployment and maintenance. After that, I will talk about the role in an Agile team, the benefits of using this lifecycle, and wrap up with the quick conclusion. Introduction to Agile project lifecycle. The Agile project lifecycle refers to the iterative process used to deliver a product incrementally with constant collaboration and feedback. This means that instead of delivering a full product at the end, Agile focus on small usable part delivered frequently, ensuring faster product updates and responsiveness to customer needs. Agile is ideal for project where the requirements can change over time, like software development or product design. It helps team remain flexible and deliver customer values quickly, adapting to changes and improvements along the way. Conception and inception. The first phase is conception inception, where the project vision is defined. This phase is about figure out what the product is going to do, who the target customers are, and what the core features will be. The team will create the product backlog, a prioritized list of all the features and requirements needed for the product. They will also identify the key stakeholders, the people who will provide valuable feedback through the project. At this point, roles like the product owner, scrum master are also identified to guide the project. The second phase focused on how the product is developed through smaller manageable chunks or sprints. Next is the iteration incremental development phase. This is where the actual development happens. The teamwork in sprints, which are short cycle, usually lasted for 1 to 4 weeks. At the start of each sprint, the team selects specific tasks from the product backlog to complete during the sprints. After the sprints, they have sprints review where they present the complete work to the stakeholder for feedback. One more important part of this phase is sprint retrospective, where the team look at what went well during the sprint and what could be improved for the next sprint. Phase 3, release and deployment. Now explain what happened when a product is ready to be released. Once the product has been developed and tested in multiple sprints, the team moves into the release and development phase. This is when the product is finalized, throughoutly tested and prepared for release to customers. Before deployment, final tests like user acceptance testing are performed to ensure that the product meets the user's needs and business goals. The product is the deployed and release notes are provided to user to explain any changes. Key points: final testing and user exceptions, deployment, release notes, etc. Phase 4, maintenance and support. Once the product is deployed, the work doesn't stop. Here where maintenance comes in. The maintenance and support phase is about continuing to support the product after its release. This involves addressing any bugs or issues that user encounter and making improvement based on their feedbacks. The product also goes through continuous update to add new features or improve its performance based on real world use. Key roles in Agile lifecycle. Next, explain the main role involved in Agile projects. In Agile, there are three key roles: product owner, scrum master, and development team. Product owner: this person defines the product vision, manage the product backlog, and ensure that the product meets customer needs. Scrum master: the scrum master facilitates the Agile process, help the team stay on the track, and remove obstacles to ensure smooth process. Development team. The development members like developers, designers, and testers are responsible for actually building the product incrementally. Benefits of Agile Lifecycle. Now highlight the key benefits of using Agile Project Lifecycle. Agile has several benefits that make it ideal for fast-paced and ever-changing project. Flexibility. Because Agile work in sprints and iterative team can adapt quickly to changes. Faster delivery. The product is built incrementally, meaning that parts of it are delivered sooner, allowing users to start benefiting from it right away. Customer centric. Since stakeholders are involved throughout the project, the product is always aligned with customers' needs. Continuous improvement. The team reflect regularly and improves their process, leading to better quality and efficiency. Conclusion. To summarize, the Agile project lifecycle is an iterative and flexible approach to managing project focused on delivering the value to customers quickly while adapting to the change. It's particularly useful for projects where requirements evolve over time. The Agile approach ensures continuous feedback, collaboration, and improvement, making it an excellent choice for dynamic environment.